Let's look at probability and determining that probability using 0 or 1. Let's take a look. Probability measures the likelihood of an event happening. And when you're using 0 or 1, 0 would be impossible to occur. 1 would be certain to occur. Let's look at the probability of 0. And I want you to remember the word impossible as we look through these examples. The first one is rolling a 9 with a 6-sided die. Now, if a die only has 6 sides, then there's no way you can roll a 9 because there's not a place for it. The second example, flipping a coin and only getting heads. If you're flipping a coin and you're only landing on heads, there's something wrong with that coin because you should have an option of heads or tails. So if you're flipping a coin and only getting heads, that probability is 0. It's not going to happen. It's impossible. And the last example is having 35 days in the month of February. February is our shortest month of the year. We're definitely not going to have 35 days. That's way too many than what we need in the month. So 35 days in February, that's impossible. Probability of 0. Now let's look at the probability of 1. Now as we look through these examples, I want you to remember the word certain. Certain means it's always going to happen. The first example is Wednesday will be the day after Tuesday. That's always going to happen because in the calendar, Wednesday is always going to follow Tuesday. Picking a red candy out of a bowl of red candies. So if you have a bowl of candy and they're all red, your only option is to pull out a red one. So that's certain. That's always going to happen. And the last example is landing on heads or tails when flipping a coin. When you flip a coin, it's either going to land on heads or tails. Those are your only two options. So that's certain to happen. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more content.